Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to create webhooks on Discord. So let's get started. So here we are in the Discord app in our PC and we are in our server. So you might want to go first to the desired server in where you want to create a webhook. So in my case, I'll be using this server, and to create a webhook, we need to go here in and click this drop arrow right here on the top left of our screen. We want to click this one. And from here, we want to go into server settings next. And from here, we want to go into integrations right here under apps. And from here, we have the webhooks right here. We have the button to create a webhook and we want to click this. And from here, we want to create a new webhook right here, or you could also use this one if you want to, but I'll be using a new one right here. It says by default, just like this one. So we can choose a name for that. We can say I am your webhook, just like that. And you can select the channel right here in which you want this webhook to send messages or embed messages. You can also do that. So let's say we want it in this channel right here, and you want to copy the webhook URL because we are going to be using that. And you can also add a picture right here, a profile picture for this webhook. So in my case, I will not add it, but if you want to, then you can also do that. Then when you are done, you can now click here on save changes right here. Let's click it, and as you can see, it is now saved. Now all we have to do is go into DiscoHook right here, discohook.org, and you want to paste here the webhook URL that you have copied earlier right there. And from there, you want to go hit send just like that. And as you can see, we want to go back into our Discord right here. And as you can see, this is what it has sent a message right here, but we can also change that. So from here, let's say we want to change the content right here, like, hi, I am your webhook bot, just like that, and you want to send it. And as you can see in my notifications right here, it has sent me a message just like this one. As you can see, what's this about, and this is all about that. And if you want to remove it, you can also remove it right here in the embed right here. So we want to remove it right here. So if you want to, you can also add an embed link of your own. So just like that, you can have it here in the author, body, and so on. Or you can also have a message link right here. So let's do it one last time. Like maybe this is the end of the tutorial. This is how you create a webhook and how you use it. And we want to hit send, and we want to go back again, and as you can see, it has sent me a message. This is the end of the tutorial. This is how you create a webhook and how you use it. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.